to make this graph, we're going to take each one of these x values and plug it in for x. So we have to basically do 5 different calculations to get this one graph, keeping in mind all the things we did in the first part of the slideshow. So if x equals 1, this equation becomes y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of 1 minus 3. Seeing this as a grouping symbol, I'm going to do this calculation first. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. To take care of that grouping symbol, I have to take that absolute value, positive 2. So this becomes 2 times positive 2. So if x is 1, y equals 4. Moving on, if x is equal to 2, y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of 2 minus 3. So I'll do this calculation first. 2 minus 3 is negative 1, so I'll have the absolute value of negative 1 times 2. To get rid of that grouping symbol, the absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. It becomes 2 times 1, which equals 2. So if x is 2, y also is 2. If we then let x equal 3, y is going to equal 2 times the absolute value of 3 minus 3. Take care of that grouping symbol first. So inside of there, we do 3 minus 3, which is 0. 2 times the absolute value of 0 is, well, the absolute value of 0 is 0, because that's how far away 0 is from itself. Not at all. This just becomes 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. That's going to be 0. And if you carry on with the rest of these calculations correctly, you'll find that when you plug in 4, you get a 2 again. And when you plug in 5, you get 4 again. And if you're not seeing that, I'll do this one just so you can see it. If x is equal 4, y equals 2 times the absolute value of 4 minus 3. Take care of this first. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we have 2 times the absolute value of 1. The absolute value of 1, to get rid of the grouping symbol, I'll take that absolute value. The absolute value of 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So if x equals 4, y equals 2. Now we're just going to go and plot these points on the grid. So the point 1 comma 4 is going to be 1 over and 4 up. So it'll be over there. The next point would be 2 over and 2 up. 3 over and not up at all. 4, 2, and then 5, 4, and we'll go ahead and plot that point. We see a beautiful V-shaped graph that I did not draw very well right there. And that's basically how you do it. Just take each value one by one, take your time, and if you do it right, you should get a nice, beautiful V. So that'll be one way for you to check your work. If you do this work and like one of your points is like way down here, but everything else is cool, then recalculate that point because you should get a V-shaped graph. Good luck.